Exchange Information System, RICE, is an open and multidisciplinary platform for islands in which stakeholders, policymakers, practitioners, industry from local to national level can interact and propose new ideas of collaborative work and engagement activities with a scientific community that has been focused for years on the study of climate change impacts at island level, and from different research fields. This gained experience makes them able to provide data and solutions for coastal zones and all islands worldwide. Groups can be formed by filtering islands, sector of expertise and research field, or by considering only one criteria. Through the networking area, new discussion topics can be created on any subject of interest. It can be used to make invitations, look for partners in new project initiatives, propose consultancy services, request more information and data, amongst others. Once the topic is created, a direct message among the users and experts selected is enabled through an internal system. From that moment on, a private forum will show up, where selected members are able to participate in the thread, upload documents, and organize virtual meetings. But the most powerful service provided by the RICE is the Adaptation Support Tool for islands. It allows stakeholders to access specific knowledge generated by SOCLimpact project. The tool aims to be a practical guide presenting the current climate and related risks of each island, the existing national plans and strategies for climate change adaptation and mitigation, specific limits and obstacles that have been identified in the avenue of fighting against climate change, new knowledge stemming from the downscaled analysis of the different climate hazards, including not only the evolution of physical impacts, but also their socio-economic implications for the island's economy. And finally, it proposes a set of alternative adaptation measures that have been ratified by local stakeholders as appropriate interventions to face climate challenges and build more resilient territories. A direct access to other climate services and tools have also been included, such as the European Climate Adaptation Platform that supports the development or improvement of adaptation strategies. A manual of islands' best practices is also presented as support material for climate action. This document presents certain successful and promising actions that could be a way forward for the rest of the islands.